This video will walk you through how to properly assemble the Rubbermaid Commercial Products Full-Size Housekeeping Cart Accessory Bundle. Use the included instruction sheets alongside the video to best aid in part identification for all accessory assembly. You will need the following parts and tools to properly install the accessory bundle. Step 1. Use a cordless drill and a P2 bit to install 4 hooks using 2 screws per hook. A magnetic adapter is preferred. Step 2. After the hooks are installed, hang the linen bag on hooks. Step 3. Position the organizer so that the 4 tabs align with the left handle openings. Loop each tab through each corresponding handle slot. Snap the buttons on each tab together to secure the organizer in place. Step 4. Place the cleaning caddy over the vinyl bag opening. Step 5. Customize the dividers of the amenity organizer to your preferred configuration. Then, place the organizer securely on the top shelf of the housekeeping cart.